wondered have you ever wondered how to switch from a dark mode to a light mode? So I'll be talking about how to switch from dark mode to light mode in your web page in this video. So the day 1 to day 10 will be used to carry beginners along with what we'll be doing in this 90 days challenge. And after that, we'll be building real life projects from day 11 down to day 90. So follow me as I build our today's project. So build a web page that changes from dark mode to light mode. Okay, let's just add um some simple tests in our web page just to um show dark mode and light mode. And okay, not to waste much of our time, let's do this. We'll switch our background color from dark to light. Do you understand? So let's do that. So body body we have background color. Let's say let's call it blue. Maybe our background color is blue. So we want to toggle from dark mode to light mode. So we want to toggle from dark mode to light mode using button. So we just create that simple button. So if you want to position your buttons, you can simply do that by adding some stylings. But for the case of this video, I'll just teach you the JavaScript code to use to understand. So let's create our button. Let's give this let's use class so that we'll use a query selector. So let's give this ID red. Okay, no, let's not use red. Black button and okay, black. Okay, let me use this black button and so class white button and here white button. So now after doing this, the next thing we do is let's just go into our script and let's enter our script. So the first thing we'll do is to call these two so like I've said in the other day 1, day 2, I think day 3. So we have to call this class ID into our script. So we'll use this and so say black btn is equals to document dot query selector. So we using query selector, we use dot. Remember, I've note that dot black btn. So that is it for that one. So we would do the same thing for the white btn too. The white button dot query selector dot white btn. So after that, we'll create our function. Do you understand? So using this, we have to create our function. We can actually recall it one by one. We can recall it one by one in our code. But here we want to use the function. Do you understand? So we can just say function. So we can say functions. Let's say dark mode. Yeah. So function. No. Let's use this function change color. So function change color. Yes. So document dot body dot style, so dot background color. Note, we can't use this sign here because JavaScript uses common camel casing, so we can't use that. So let's give this dot background color. So give it color. So give it color. So you add this here color. You add it into the parameter stuff. So now let's give our add event listener. So now black button dot add event listener. So on click, we want it on click. This thing is actually distracting me. So on click, and we add our function. Remember I said this sign is for function. This sign is for function. So change color, change color to black. So now we've done it for this one. So we'll do the same thing for the white button. We've done it for the black button, so we are going to do the same thing for the white button also. So after doing that, make sure you add your color back here. Yes, we've done that. So let's check our result in our browser. Okay, we have this. Let's click this. We have black and we have white. So we have some UI websites where you can just take the toggle button. So when you take the toggle button from those websites and add it here, you make your website more interactive, and even you can even create that type of button in your own code also. So I gave you two options already. So black, white. So to change the color of your web page, this is simply how you change it. So any other addition is for better styling. You understand? It's for better styling. That is, if you've added text and all those things, it's for better styling. So um thanks for joining me on the day 4 of this 90-day coding challenge. And our day 1 to day 10 will be used to carry beginners along, and day 11 we'll start building real life projects. Using this challenge. So let's make this 90 days count. Thank you for staying to the end of the video.